Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best export settings for your short form content on social media and also for your music videos. Let's get straight into it. First, change your preset to adaptive high bitrate and format to H.264. H.264 is the standard video compression format preferred by Instagram. It provides the best balance between quality and file size. Now open video, scroll down and check boxes with maximum depth and maximum render quality, and now we will change the bitrate settings. Change it to VBR2 passets because it is like proofreading your video twice before finalizing it. It makes your video look sharp, especially during fast motion scenes or transition. Set the target to 8 megabytes per second. It keeps the video clear for full HD resolution, and for the maximum set it to 12 megabytes per second. It gives extra detail for busy or fast moving parts of your video. And so why this specific numbers? If you go too low, your video looks blurry. If you go too high, Instagram will still compress it, so it's pointless to use more data. And for the extra final step, we will add a lot. If you guys have noticed, when you render out your video, it loses that saturation, that kind of polished look that you have in Premiere Pro. It just doesn't look the same on your phone. So the way you fix that is by going into the effects and clicking on Lumetri Look and LAT, Applied Custom, and Apply Compensation LAT, because Premiere will desaturate the video after render, so it's just for compensating. You can download the LAT on the internet for free. Now you will see here is that it looks different. It looks a lot more contrasty, which it needs to, and after the export it will be completely fine. And now just save it as your preset, that you don't need to do it over and over again, and then just hit export. For the music video export settings, start by changing the format to QuickTime. Now under video codec here you will have a couple different options. First one is the Apple ProRes 422 HQ, which is the highest quality export. On the other hand, it will be a very large file size, but it's definitely worth it. Or the LT, it's just a little bit of a smaller file size, so if you have a smaller storage, you can use that. You won't see any major difference. Now for the frame rate, make sure your frame rate is 24 FPS or around there, because that is the best cinematic quality, so please do not render your music videos in 60 FPS or higher. It will look like dog shit. 24 is a perfect match, guys. Now that this is clear, we will scroll a little bit down and make sure the depth is on 16 and check the box with use maximum render quality and set frame sampling. And because it is music video, we will go down to audio and set the sample size to 32-bit. The final step, if you want, is to apply a compensation LAT. And also set this setting as a preset. Also, I just forget to film it. Now you have two options. The first one is to send it to Media Encoder, which I recommend you do, because it gives you the option to pause your render, which is super useful, or just hit export. It's up to you guys. Thank you for watching and your time, and I will see you in the next video.